Hi everyone, this is Carol. Welcome back to official channel VideoProc Vlogger. New series of VideoProc guide tutorial is now available in the channel, where you can find a complete set of videos showing how to use VideoProc Vlogger to create stunning videos from scratch. But before we dive into the journey, make sure you check out the link in the description box down below to download the software for free. Alright, so now let's get the video started. In today's video, we will go over how to change resolution with VideoProc. We usually have two ways to adjust the resolution settings in the software. Well, you can do that in the project window, where you will find a bunch of given presets. Or you could come to this little icon here, and manually select the wanted video width and height. VideoProc provides up to 12 resolution presets for you to choose from. I will give you a little tour here, showing some specific scenarios for each setting. But one thing you need to know is that the selection of the resolution actually plays into the devices and the platform you work with. To consume content with greater quality and definition on YouTube, Vimeo, or Shopify, or if you are working with some large screen devices, you can use 4K or 2K. For YouTube, Facebook slideshow ad, landscape video, or Vimeo, you could go with a 16:9 aspect ratio with 1080p or 720p. For Snapchat, IGTV, TikTok, or Instagram stories, which usually adopt a vertical format, you are suggested to use a 1080p aspect ratio. And for Facebook 360 video and ads, Instagram square video, and TikTok ads, you could use 1.1 aspect ratio. DVD player, mostly seen in Europe, Asia, and Oceania or part of the South America, you can use 5:4 aspect ratio. DVD NTSC, used in the United States, please go with the 3:2 aspect ratio. Well, if you want to go in full screen in your iPhone, just choose 19.5:9 aspect ratio. But if you want to do that in your iPad, you can go with 4:3 aspect ratio. 22:9 aspect ratio is used for Samsung series and Huawei series. After you decide your resolution, hit down to confirm. If you want to do customized resolution to fit in different use, for instance, for downscaling the file size or upscaling the viewing experience, reshaping to fit in different social media with diverse aspect ratio. To this purpose, select custom video resolution here. Specify the wanted width and height for the video. Hit down to confirm the change. Sometimes we might run into black bar that show on the sides of the video if the selected resolution does not match your source video. Like, you put your source file that come with the 1080p in a target format of 1:1 aspect ratio. You will then see two black bars added on the top and bottom of the video. To remove that, I will show you two ways here. First, you go to the inspector on the right hand, find transform. Move the scale slider to adjust the frame until it fills up with the canvas, and the black bar will disappear. The second way is you navigate to the resolution menu, the little icon right here. Select the background, and you would see a drop-down list. Choose custom. Then pick a color you like on the color wheel, or adjust the HSV or RGB values to replace the background color. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's tutorial about how to change resolution in VideoProc Vlogger. I think you've got it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. We will see you soon in our next guide tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!